Welcome back. Transport Minister Sudhin Davlikar admitted in the Assembly that the functioning of the Kadamba Transport Corporation Limited is porous and that there is filtration of revenue generated by it. He was replying to a question posed by Fatorda MLA Damodar Naik as to why revenue is not being collected from hoardings erected at the bus stands.
ते प्रश्न ताणे रेज केला हे सगळें खरें आसा पूण 8 दिसूच जाले हो डिपार्टमेंट म्हजे कडेन आयले नंतर आनी इट इज अ फॅक्ट. This I have brought to the notice of each officer today morning. When I have brought this notice, what he said also I have asked him that why this revenue is down, why this is not collected, and it is a fact that this is there, and I asked them to make the inquiry also.
Naik tried to bring to the notice of the House that despite there being a substantial increase in advertising on KTC bus stands and buses, there is no increase in the revenue of the corporation.
परत rent towards advertisement and hoarding येता page number 10. 2001 आणि 2 आणि 3 रेंट होर्डिंग्साचे दोन्ही कडेन ना गायब. म्हणजे तुम्ही ते पैसे घेवनात काय? मग घेतलेले कोणी घेतले? कारण 2001 1,10,000 आसा, तेच 2003-4 1,33,000 आसा. मदले 2 महिन्याचे खंय गेले? कारण ते होर्डिंग्स तेच आसात. परत आनी एक कडेन तुमचो एक प्रश्न आसा टॉयलेटीचे हाजी फी. रेंट तुमकां टॉयलेटीचे मेळ्ळे ताजें टेंडर काडून 2002 1,93,760 रुपये टॉयलेट फी मेळ्ळी बाय टेंडर. 2003-4 2,37,000 मेळ्ळी. 2004 1,63,680 मेळ्ळी. म्हणजे थंय कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट म्हणजे त्याच वर्सा अचानक म्हणजे शब्द कितें म्हणटा तो म्हाका कळना, नॉन पार्लिमेंटरी आसा हागडो कमी जालो आणि 2005 2,50,000 जाली. म्हणजे ते एक जाले. सेम म्हापसा 2004-5 24,000 आसा, 2005 24,000 टेंडर फी. पण एकच म्हयन्यान हे गेले खंय?
Naik also argued that despite high income from KTC bus stands, there are lack of facilities at all KTC bus stands in the state.
3 कोटी एक्सपेंडिचर 3,58,53,738 आसा. इन्कम तुमचे 13 कोटी आसा. तरी आसतना बस स्टँड तुमचे सगळे सारखे जायना. काणकोणचो बस स्टँड आसा, काणकोणच्या बस स्टँडाचेर काळोख अनेक जाग्यांनी हे आसा.
Leader of the opposition Manohar Parrikar advised the minister to spend at least 25% of the earnings from bus stands for the maintenance of the same.
Can you assure me that you will set up some guideline that at least 25% of the money you earn from the bus stand should go towards upgradation and maintenance of the bus stand? कारण आता ती एवरेज हा फक्त जवळजवळ म्हाका दिसता 15%.
Responding to the question of Parrikar, Davlikar assured the House to maintain KTC bus stands clean.
I assure the House in next 3 months जसो फोणे बस स्टँड आसा आमचो तुवें पळयला आसतलो वचून फोणे बस स्टँड इतलो क्लीन आसता, इतलो निवळ आसा, तसो सगळे बस स्टँड जातले.
Kankon MLA Vijay Pai Kot urged to maintain the gardens at the bus stand, which the minister agreed to outsource.
की थंय गार्डन जें केल्लें आहा तातूंत भितर आमी ग्रास घाल्ले पळय, तें ग्रास तुमी सांगले तशें ग्रास कंप्लीट गेलें आनी तें दुसरें ग्रास म्हणजे नॅचरल ग्रास जें आसा तें वयर सरलें आहा. तें ग्रास गेलें, तें जें गार्डन आसा किंवा जीं झाडां आहा ती मेंटेन करपा लागून थंय गार्डनर ना. कोण मेंटेन करतलो? तांकां सांगलें तें उदक घालपा जबाबदारी आपल्यान न्ही म्हणटा. थंय तें पर्टिक्युलर पळोवपा लागून मनीस ना. हांव मागता तुमचे कडेन एक गार्डनर थंय स्पेशल गार्डनर म्हणटा तें अपॉयंट करात.
Speaker sir, as you told, we will outsource this and we will get it done.
It may be recalled that we at Goa 365 had aired the pathetic conditions of the KTC bus stands in major cities of Goa last year. It might sound odd, but it is true. Construction contractors who have undertaken to construct government buildings give a guarantee that the building will stand for maximum 6 months. This was the reply of PWD Minister Churchill Alimau in the ongoing assembly. Opposition members made a noise in the House over the reply provided by PWD Minister Churchill Alimau, referring to the PWD manual where it is mentioned that only 3 months guarantee is required. Mapsa MLA Francis D'Souza asked PWD Minister Churchill Alimau in which category do bridges are indexed and read out the category provided by the PWD Minister.
For building works, the guarantee period is 6 months. For electrical works, the guarantee period is 6 months. For road works, the guarantee period is 3 years. And for water supply and sewerage works, the guarantee period is 5 years. ही अजबांची खबर. म्हणजे बिल्डिंग 6 महिन्यांनी म्हणल्यार उपकारता. इलेक्ट्रिकल वर्क्साक 6 महिन्यांनी उजो पेटल्यार उपकारता. रस्ते 3 वर्सां तरी उरपाक जाय आनी उदकाचे पायपलायनी ह्या पळय ते 5 वर्सां उरपाक जाय. माझो प्रश्न स्पीकर आमच्या मंत्र्या कडेन एक आहा. which category, under which category the bridges come?
Admitting the mistake in the PWD manual, the minister said that there is a need to change the manual and that his government will make sure that at least 3 years guarantee is made mandatory.
पण काल प्रमाण तशें म्हणपा न्हू, कित्याक 3 वर्सां मोठो लोक भितर वचपा ते ब्रिजेर. पूण प्रॉब्लेम हे पळय मॅन्युअल आहा तो मॅन्युअल मातसो आमी चेंज करचो पडटलो.
6 म्हयन्यां पळय केल्या ती कितले म्हयन्यां करपाक सोदता? कित्याक 6 म्हयन्यां म्हळ्यार एक पावस येवपाक 6 म्हयन्यां लिकेज जातलें तें सगळें. स्लॅब घालता सामको असो लीक जाता.
बिल्डिंगाची 3 वर्स करची पडटली.
Time for a short break. You're with Goa 365.